Well, hello and welcome to this short iGCSE GCSE numbers question on distance, speed, rate, and time, and also suitable for 10th grade maths or 10th grade numbers and GED math. We've got this diagram here, and it's a diagram of speed against time in seconds, and it says um, the diagram shows the speed time graph of a bus journey between two bus stops. Okay, so the bus comes to rest after 60 seconds, and therefore the speed is 0 meters per second. Okay, comes to rest there. Moving on. Hamid runs at a constant speed of 4 meters per second along the bus route. He passes the bus as it leaves the first bus stop. The bus arrives at the second bus stop after 60 seconds there. And then he says change 4 meters per second to 4 kilometers an hour. Okay, now what I've done is I've expressed this as a fraction, 4 meters divided by 1 second. That's what I've done there. And then if I multiply the numerator and the denominator by 60, okay, so the numerator becomes 240 meters, while the numerator becomes 60 seconds, because 1 times 60 gives 60, 1 second times 60 gives 60 seconds there. So what we now have in effect is that 240, we've got the speed of 240 meters per minute. Okay. Now similarly, if we multiply the numerator by 60 and the denominator by 60, we end up with 14,400 meters. Okay, and if you multiply 1 minute by 60, you get 60 minutes. So what we then have is that he is traveling at the equivalent of 14,400 meters per hour. And then if you divide 14,400 meters by 1,000, because you got 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer, we end up with 14.4 kilometers an hour. So in effect, 4 meters a second then become, or is equivalent to 14.4 kilometers an hour. Hope that makes sense. Okay, second question. How many meters from the bus is Hamid at this time? So at this time, meaning 60 seconds after the start. Okay. Firstly, we need to remind ourselves of the relationship between distance, speed, and time. And we know distance is speed times time. But in this case, we're given a diagram. So in this diagram, we want to find the area under this curve, because if this area here, distance times time, will give us the area under this, give us the distance. Because we've got a triangle here, we're going to multiply the height by the base, and the base in this instance is 60 seconds. So this is our base here of 60 seconds. Okay. So if we do 14 times 60 divided by 2, that gives us 420 meters, because that's the area under this curve, under this graph in the diagram itself. Now, what about Hamid? How far has he traveled? Now, because he's traveling at a speed of 4 meters per second, after 60 seconds, he will have traveled 4 times 60, which is 240 meters. Okay? So in 60 seconds, he will have traveled 240 meters. Now, the question is, how many meters from the bus is Hamid at this time? And at this time means 60 seconds. Okay? So that's what it is. So he's going to be 420 minus 240 meters from the bus. And if you subtract 440 from 420, we end up with 180 meters, and that is our answer. Now, I hope all that made some sense, and as usual, please subscribe, and thank you for watching. Hopefully see you again sometime. Bye bye now.